advantage.
This is going to be the new backflow that we're installing here for the city, in the city of Montclair, the Monte Vista Water District. 1-inch pressure RP device, and our new high security cage that's going to go in, and we get this bad boy installed. We're also installing a Wilkins 375 XL RP device. What's nice about this device is it's part plastic and less metal in it, so it's more vandal resistant to the bad guys. You know, less material, less brass makes it more resistant to theft. So this is what we're going to install. Okay, well, we've got the device installed and got it all tied in with the pressure regulator, Y strainer, and union as per Monte Vista Water District's installation specifications. So now we just got to prepare everything for the cage and get it installed. Okay, well, we got this thing all put together and getting ready to backfill so we can put the form on there and go ahead and concrete it. Okay, well, we got the broom finish in there. So, looks a little nicer, a little more finished. And once this dries up for a little bit longer, we'll pull the forms on and we should be good to go.